Welcome to the Mint Report, a wrap-up of the day's business news. Here are the top stories. Pranab Mukherjee proposes a new GST structure. Yes Bank results beat expectations. And markets rise on expectations of healthy corporate numbers. A new three-tier structure could be in the offing for the Goods and Services Tax or the GST. On Wednesday, Finance Minister Pranab Mukherjee suggested a system of three different rates. Under the proposal, there will be a 20% tax on goods, a 16% tax for services and a lower 12% tax for essential commodities. By the year 2013-14, the three rates are to merge into a single rate of 16%. Mukherjee's proposal also added that revenues would be shared equally between the state and the centre. The Goods and Services Tax is scheduled to roll out on the 1st of April next year. And moving on to other news, private lender Yes Bank has done better than expected in the quarter ending June. It posted a 56% increase in net profit to 156 crore. Net interest income climbed 67% to reach 262 crore. Yes Bank's numbers have been driven by strong credit growth that came largely from 3G auction payments. On Wednesday, the bank also announced it had 91 new licenses to open branches and planned to open 100 of them over the next 1 year. And Yes Bank stock made a modest gain of 0.13% on BSE on Wednesday to 297 rupees and 70 paise. And kicking off the earnings season for the auto industry on Wednesday was TVS Motor. The company reported a net profit of 40 crores compared to about 18 crores in the first quarter of the last year. Sales accelerated to 1,370 crores from 975. TVS is India's third largest two-wheeler company. Demand for motorcycles and scooters have been on the rise in India since the later months of 2009. And TVS Motor stock rose on the news of the earnings. They climbed almost 6% on BSE to wind up at 128 rupees and 55 paise. Oil giant BP's oil spill troubles could present an opportunity to India. On Wednesday, Petroleum Minister Murli Deora said Indian oil companies would make a bid for BP's stake in 2 gas fields off the coast of Vietnam. BP is looking at selling some of its fields to raise money for cleaning up the Gulf of Mexico oil spill. And finally, Indian markets made gains on Wednesday on expectations of more robust corporate results. The Sensex shot up 99 points to finish at 17,977 and the Nifty went up 31 points to end trade at 5,399. And that's all we have for you. Thanks for watching.